So good day everyone. So we are here to report about compound interest. So first, let's talk about compound interest. So compound interest is defined as the interest of loan or principal, which is based not only on the original amount of the loan or principal, but the amount of the loan or principal plus the previous accumulated interest. So this means that aside from the principal, the interest now earns interest as well. Thus, the interest charges grows exponentially over a period of time. So compound interest is frequently used in commercial practice rather than simple interest. So more especially if this longer period which spans for more than a year. So the future amount of the principal may be derived by the following tabulation. So it's what you can see in the table in terms of period, principal, interest, and total amount. In our period 1, we have the following formula: P multiplied by the quantity 1 plus I. So in second period, we have the formula P multiplied by the quantity 1 plus I raised to 2, and so on. And in terms of n term, so we have the following formula: P multiplied by the quantity 1 plus I raised to n. So the tabulation above shows that the future amount, or equally total amount, is just the value P multiplied by the quantity 1 plus I with an exponent which is numerically equal to the number of period.
So what is the difference between the nominal and effective rate of interest? Rate of interest is cost borrowing money. It also refers to the amount earned by a unit per principal time. There are two types of rate of interest, namely the nominal rate and the effective rate of interest. Nominal rate of interest is defined as the basic annual rate of interest, while effective rate of interest is defined as the actual or the exact rate of interest earned by the principal during 1 year period.
And here are the sample problem. Mr. Smith argues that he can make more money than Mrs. Smith, and to feed his never-faltering ego, he accepted her to a bet. He invested $15,000 for a year with an interest of 6% compounded quarterly. And Mrs. Smith, with the other end, accepted the challenge to have a good time. She invested the same amount that earned 6% compounded monthly. Which of them would earn more? And here are the solution. First, we solve for Mr. Smith, where the given is P is 15,000 pesos, the rate is 6%, M is 4 or compounded quarterly, and the time is 1 year. The formula is A is equals to P multiplied by 1 plus R over N raised to NT. And we all substitute the given to the formula. And we got 15,920 or 15,921 pesos. Next, we solve for Mrs. Smith, where P is 15,000 pesos, the rate is 6%, M is monthly or 12, and the time is 1 year. And the formula is A is equals to P multiplied by 1 plus R over N raised to NT. And we substitute the given to the formula. And we will get is 15,925.17, or the final answer is 15,926. And then we all know that Mrs. Smith is right. And problem number 2. Fin International Ltd makes an initial investment of 10,000 pesos for a period of 2 years. Find the value of the investment earns on the return of 2% compounded quarterly. And here are the solution. P is equals to 10,000 pesos, the rate is 2%, M is 4 or compounded quarterly, and the time is 2 years. And the formula is A is equals to P multiplied by 1 plus R over M raised to MT. And we all substitute the given to the formula. And we will get is A is equals to 10,407.07, where the final answer is 10,408.